Welcome back to another episode of the Always Improving Garage. In this one, we're going to be talking about ratchets. As you can see here, I've got a pretty decent selection of ratchets. This drawer only has my 1/4-inch drive and 3/8 drive ratchets in it. The 1/2-inch drive ones are actually in a different toolbox just because they don't all fit in here. So if I had to pick one ratchet that I would say is my favorite, well, that's kind of a hard thing to do, but I can tell you which one I tend to grab for most jobs, and that would be this Matco 3/8 drive locking flex head. Now, when I first got this ratchet, this mechanism right here was actually really hard to move, to the point that I was actually kind of disappointed with this ratchet. Now, I'm not sure if this is broken or if I've just gotten used to it to the point that I just don't care anymore. I want to say that it's broken though, so that's good. This is a great ratchet. Highly recommend it. Next up on the 3/8 drive that I would grab, I'd say that would be the Snap-on long flex head ratchet. That's pretty much just if the Matco doesn't have enough torque to break something free, I would grab this one. This is a great ratchet. Use it all the time. On 1/4-inch drive, I tend to grab this one right here, Snap-on flex head long ratchet. This one works great. It's probably overkill for most things, but I just be careful with it. I don't break bolts on a regular basis or anything like that. I'm pretty careful with what I do in general, so that's just me, but it's probably one of my favorite 1/4-inch drive ratchets. This one as well is really neat. This ARES, however you pronounce it. I really like this ratchet. The only thing I've noticed is the little mechanism right here for the forward and reverse selector tends to get bumped a lot. I don't know if it's just me, but it happens all the time on this ratchet. I wish this was recessed a little more. You probably see it sticking out there. So if it had that, and I would actually prefer it in a non-quick release, it's just a preference. Non-quick release ratchets tend to be stronger, but this shorter one here can only do so much torque anyway, so I guess that's fine, but that's that one. Now, on ratchets, I've actually noticed that I seem to have more 1/4-inch drive ratchets than 3/8 drive or 1/2-inch drive, which is interesting because in my mind, it seems like I use 3/8 drive more, which I believe is true. So I think the reason I have so many 1/4-inch drive ratchets is just for the versatility of the selection, because like say on newer cars these days, we're just not getting more room, right? So it's good to have a selection of ratchets where you have various lengths and say flex head or non-flex head, etc. For me, it just makes my job easier. So keep in mind, guys, we're doing a 500 subscriber giveaway for a Icon 3/8 drive flex head ratchet. I'll leave the link to that up in the top corner of this video. That's going to do it for this one, guys. As always, thanks for watching.